Hey, Sally. Can you show Mommy the bee?
B. B.
Which one's the bee?
B. B.
Where's the... No, what's that?
B.
What's that one?
B.
No. Where's the A? Sally, can you find the A?
A.
Which one's the A? Good
B.
job. It's a green A. Where's the T?
Tree.
Where's the T? There's two T's. Where's one of the T's? Can you point to the T? Where's the M?
M.
Which one's the M?
M.
Good job. Where's the E? Good job.
E.
Where's the H? Good job. And where's that B? Where's the B? Do you remember where the B is? B.
B.
Which one's the B? Can you point to the B? Where's the B? No.
B.
Nope, that's a T. Which one's the B?
B.
Nope, that's another T. Where's the B? That's the E. Is this one the B?
A.
That's a A, yeah. There's the B.
I still did.
Bath time.
Back 10.
Can you look at the colors?
Colors.
Yeah.
S. S. 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Where's the red? Yep, yellow. Where's the blue? Yep. Green, blue, red. Should we look at the other page?
A page.
Should we look at this one? Oops. You want to show me where the ball is?
The ball.
And the whale?
Whale.
The hippo?
Hippo.
And the boat?
Boat.
And the ducky?
Ducky.
Yay! Good job! Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.